Question is prove that 1 plus sec A divided by sec A is equal to sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. First, we are going to solve the LHS. LHS is equal to 1 plus sec A divided by sec A. We know that sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. Substitute the ck to here, value of ck to here. That is LHS is equal to 1 plus 1 by cos A whole divided by 1 by cos A. That's equal to cos A plus 1 divided by cos A divided by 1 by cos A. Cos A and this cos A cancel. So you will get cos A plus 1. This is marked as 1. Now simplify right hand side. RHS is equal to sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. We know that sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Substitute this. That implies 1 minus cos square A divided by 1 minus cos A. In the numerator, it's in A square minus B square form. So we can write A plus B into A minus B. That implies 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. Here this cos A and cos A will cancel. You will get 1 plus cos A. From 1 and 2, it's clear that LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, proved. That's all, students, in this video. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Like and share if you found this helpful. Your support helps us grow and reach more students. Leave a comment below with your math questions. Check out our video suggestions on the right. Together, let's conquer CBSE Maths.